Happy holidays and welcome to this vertical video. I'm thinking about doing more vertical videos with fast technical analysis because people that aren't in the market, we don't need some drawn out history of Bitcoin. We need to see what's going on right now so you can get in the market if you need to. In this consolidation phase, Bitcoin has been making higher lows, and also it's just made its first lower low on a candle body closure on the daily time frame. People ignore this candle body closures and they always focus on wicks, but this is kind of, alarming for me as far as a structure change. So candle body closures on the lower lows is what we have right now, and we don't want Bitcoin to make a lower high because that could start a macro downtrend. So I drew a fib swing high to swing low, and these could be points of rejection if we don't get absolutely rejected right here, the 98K to 100K area. We could come up to maybe 104. That would be a potential area for rejection, and that could possibly make a lower high. I'm not trying to spread FUD right now. I'm just going over a bearish scenario, which would ultimately be a pullback that would be healthy for Bitcoin and still keep a macro uptrend. But for people that want Bitcoin to absolutely moon right now, you wouldn't want this scenario to form. So here's the lower low candle body closures, and this will be a lower high. I'm going over here hypothetical. So here, the order block that we have right here is a bullish mitigation block. That has not been broke yet. So we could test that, make another lower low candle body closure into this order block, and then keep farming lower lows and lower highs. Flip this key area, which is that bullish mitigation block, that could turn into resistance, and we go down to this trend line at around 74K. And this trend line actually coincides with a major resistance that we broke through, and that could be flipped into support on the macro time frame. So that could be good as long as we don't follow through or fall through that consolidation at 74K. Bitcoin is still in the healthy uptrend, macro time frame, weekly time frame. So I wanted to go over this for people that aren't in the market. I also wanted to say that these are 3 contact points on this weekly time frame. If you want to make a trend line for directional purposes, you need 3 contact points, and that is the rules of technical analysis, not 2 contact points. So this is a trend line I'm looking at. If Bitcoin falls through the current consolidation phase and breaks through 88K, we could come down, test that consolidation area where that trend line and that support, that new support could possibly be, and that would be a corrective scenario. So people that aren't in the market, right now you could pray for Bitcoin to come into that 88K range and possibly DCA at low leverage from there to the 73K area or DCA spot, and that could get you to load money into the market. If you drop the money at 73K, you could rescue your money at the 88K area if we got a bounce. So there goes my technical analysis with a roadmap.